Alright guys, so we're back with another video, and this is a review of the Pivo. Let's get into the unpackaging. So if you guys are looking for your own personal cameraman, this device here is the key. So my overall verdict on this device is a must buy. I would definitely recommend. So there's a charging port, these are little stands, there's a tripod mount. Right there's a little leveler. There's actually a little ball in the green to where you can center it out to make sure everything's leveled. Just tells you how to get everything set up and how to get everything going. So I'm gonna try to connect this to my phone now. So we're gonna get the Pivo app. I'm gonna hold this for about 3 seconds. The blue light is on. We're gonna hit connect. Apparently successful. So swipe right to access the modes menu. Choose from capture, live, or 9 quick create modes. Swipe left to bring up mode settings. Adjust the controls in each mode exactly to your liking. Tap the help icon in mode settings pages to see tutorials and remote control guides. And hold the left or right button on the remote control to make Pivo rotate slightly. Interesting. This little gadget right here, it can do a lot of things. For example, it can face follow. Oh, interesting. Not too shabby. All right. Cheese. Wow. Wow. All right. Come here. So in this segment, I'm trying to see if the Pivo will actually pick up my dog's face, but it's doing really well. Oh. So it catches back to my face, but it doesn't catch onto the dog's face. It does object tracking if you want it to follow an object instead of a face. What's this? Ooh. Huh. Hello? Pivo, come on. Oh. So there's actually another feature, it's called a clone. You can take multiple pictures of an object or a subject to make it look like there's an army or just a party going on, whatever floats your boat. There's motion time lapse, so this actually moves around little by little by little for a time lapse. There's double take. There's a versus mode to where it jumps between two people back and forth. 50-50 mode, which allows you to put a picture and a video in the same clip. There is also this thing called flash. It's a motion blur tying together two different events. Here we can see a perfect panorama made with the Pivo. It has an 8 to 10 hour battery life. Okay, that's what that does. So that switches between where the subject's gonna be. Let's keep them in the middle. Oh, all right, so, okay, let's see how it does recording. Oh, ooh. Here we go. Okay, a little laggy, but not too bad, not too bad. Let's see. Okay, oh, see, so tracking the face, but then trying to move it with the remote. Oh, it gets confused. Okay, all right. So the M switches modes. Picture. Nice, so there's no countdown on that one. Let's see the other way around. Oh, still facial tracking. Okay, okay. I like it. Oh, it's pretty quick. Okay, it's pretty quick. Mode. Video. Wow. Okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, you can pause the. Ooh, you can pause the recording. All right, cool, interesting. There's no way of getting out of that. So I have to turn the tracking off to be able to move it back and forth. All right. That's pretty cool. All right, guys.